Alrighty, YouTubers, so here we have this 36-inch Crompton Greaves. I've never seen one of these. The motor's so tiny. Look at that thing. I don't think there's any labeling on this one. There's no tag or anything on it. So it's got the unusual canopies also, so it's kind of interesting. But I've never seen a Crompton Greaves this tiny. Like I said, you can see with my fist, my watch even. It's smaller than the 36-inch Union and Evergo motors. It's teeny. Let's go ahead and put this fan on low speed up here, 3 amp state control. Low speed we're drawing 0.1 amps. Now, I'm not sure if this is a Princess. I know they made Crompton Greaves that are called Princesses, and I think they're using this motor. Let's go up a little bit. Around there, we're drawing 0.2 amps. A decent medium. I'm already feeling air off it, which is kind of crazy for these things. Let's go ahead and go to high. Wow, easy there. Using a total of 0.4 amps on high. And you can hear she definitely moves some air. Very cool fan. The most interesting thing is this is a 36-inch fan. I have a 38-inch fan, which I'm going to go over here and show you, which is right here. That's a bit of a difference in motor size, so I'm be curious to see how that one performs in comparison. So yeah, very cool. Let's go ahead and do spin dash. These fans came from the people I got all these 100 originals from. These are freebies they threw in also, so I was happy. Not sure what I'm going to do with this fan yet. I probably will keep it because I don't know how uncommon these are. I've never seen one of these before. I mean, and like I said, the motor is just tiny. Overall, it works well, so I can't complain. I mean, it's not like, a Moss Caribbean Breeze or an Emerson Blender fan, but it definitely moves air. Probably about as much as the Unions or Evergos. Bearings are in good shape. And yeah, I'm definitely pleased with how this fan works. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.